In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Webflow editor, guiding you step by step to ensure you can seamlessly navigate and edit your projects with confidence. Whether you're new to this web design platform or just need a refresher, this walkthrough is tailored to provide clarity and ease. Let's dive right in. The first step in using the Webflow editor is logging into your Webflow account. Simply head to the Webflow website and enter your credentials. If you're having trouble remembering your details, you might consider using a password manager. It'll save you time and effort every time you log in. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on your Webflow dashboard. This is your command center where all your projects are neatly organized. Being familiar with your dashboard is crucial, as it's where every project begins and is managed. Next, you want to locate the specific project you're planning to edit. Depending on how many projects you have, you might need to scroll through your list or use the search function to pinpoint it. Make sure to click the project you intend to work on so you're accurately editing the right one. Now, on the project thumbnail, look for the three dots, also known as ellipses. Clicking these dots is your gateway to additional options without cluttering your main view with too many choices. This thoughtful design keeps the interface clean and user-friendly. From the menu that appears, you'll want to select Editor. This is where the magic happens. Selecting the editor launches the editing interface that allows you to make changes directly to your project. The editor is designed to be intuitive, helping even those unfamiliar with web design tools to feel at home quickly. As you enter the editor, note how everything is laid out. You can explore content editing directly, adjusting text, images, and links with ease. It's all about making the process as intuitive as possible so that even if you're not a seasoned designer, you can still produce a professional-looking site. One tip is to keep an eye on the live preview as you make changes. Seeing how your edits impact the actual design helps in maintaining the integrity of your original layout while implementing the needed updates. To recap, start by logging into your Webflow account and continue by accessing your dashboard. Then, find the project you need. Open the options by clicking the ellipses and choose the editor. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to begin editing your project, transforming your creative vision into a reality on the web. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.